number 0, Jeff Lawson. At guard, a 6'3" senior from Tacoma, Georgia, number 5, Carly Heicher. At guard for Lions, a 6'1" sophomore from Keselowski, Croatia, number 13, Ivana Krajina. At guard, a senior from Serbia, number 28, Angela Mattis. And at forward for Lions, a 6' junior from San Jose, California, number 55, Maya Hernandez. In her 5th season, the head coach for your Lions is Erica Hughes. The associate head coach is Brooke Atkinson. The assistant coaches are Jody Burrows, Amanda Delgado, and Brad Johnson. The director of basketball